Right here we got the S55 engine, and it's insane. It straight up smells like oil and fuel at the same time. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, the M4 is finally getting the PCV valve done on the car, and let me tell you guys, this car has been wanting that PCV valve for quite a while. Actually, it actually started last year because, as you guys know, my brother had the car. Then I kind of took over the lead, took over the finance, everything, took over everything, and now it's mine. So we're gonna be making way more YouTube videos with that. But right now, actually, I'm at my boy's house trying to grab the toolbox because that's the only thing that I'm missing before I start the PCV valve. But let me show you guys what happened to his car. So this what happened to his car. He was driving, and then there was a girl that actually hit him from right here, and as you guys see, it's quite dented and undrivable. And so far, insurance said that it's totaled. It's kind of sad to see the M240 kind of gone, but hey, there is something crazy that he's gonna get, and it's definitely gonna be on this channel, so you guys stay tuned for that. So we just got to the house, and let me tell you guys, this is the last time I'm gonna be seeing these lights. But let me tell you guys, I'm gonna be wrapping the whole car pretty soon, but right for now I'd have to remove kind of a good amount of lights for me to pop the hood, because you see all this connects and it goes to the bumper. So I'm just trying to figure out a way where I don't have to remove the whole bumper, because again, I don't have much wrap to kind of put on the car, because I do want to do this car full before January 1st, which is New Year's, and that's when we're gonna actually take the lights off. And also, I do want to go to the snow and drift in the snow with the lights on, and we have, the all wheels. Look how terrible these are. You can see this. It's terrible. You can see the wires through them. But I got a whole lot of plans with this car. I'm starting actually a new series where it's gonna be every 2 weeks I buy a new mod for this car. My first mod list is gonna be a front lip, because this car, honestly, it needs a front lip, and also it needs lowering springs. So that's definitely 2 on my bucket list. But right now, let's not waste time, because it will take all day for me to put the PCV valve on. And let me actually show you guys. So right here is the PCV valve. I'm not removing it because I haven't took off all the bolts. I still gotta put out a table, so I'd be able to kind of, I don't want to miss any bolts, because if I do, I'll be messed up on the other side. But I'm really excited. I'm not gonna hear no noise, no nothing. So right now, let's just get straight to it and let's get to work. So right now, what we're gonna remove the battery first, so we don't kind of get electrocuted, basically. So we're just gonna put this in right there at that corner right there, and kind of just unplug it. We just unplugged the battery from the bag so we don't get electrocuted. But it turned out that I don't have to remove all these lights right here on the bumper and the hood. I can just unplug this and kind of remove this line right here, and also I'd be able to unplug this, so I'd be able to pop the hood. And I don't think we're gonna have to worry about anything after that. As you guys see, we do have this stuff already laid out, because I'm trying to get everything done and be able to work on the car with no worries, no nothing. So let's just get straight to it, pop the hood, and I think we should be good for now and not get electrocuted like last time with the spark plugs. This actually hurts. You guys don't understand. I had to rip off a lot of tape to be able to pop the hood. And now we got the hood fully, completely in the open. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of just take off basically everything. I'm probably gonna put the brake screws in a plastic bag so I don't lose them like last time I did, and I was going around and it was at night. And plus, it's probably gonna be dark out at night and it's gonna be really bad. So I'm probably gonna do that right now so I don't lose them. So let's get it. And I'll pick you guys up once everything is off the car. So let me show you guys what we got done so far. I'm literally losing my mind. So this is what we got done so far. We took like the brace, we took everything, but I think what we have left is we gotta get the spark plugs and coils out. We gotta take the fuel lines. We also gotta take the intercooler out, but not gonna lie, a lot of coolant, like you can still see coolant in there. A lot of that spilled all over the engine bay, but I think my friend that's coming right now actually have a little bit more coolant, and we didn't even waste that much. Like you can't even see it. Like it's right there. I'm definitely not gonna get in trouble, but yeah. So we got every single thing out, and I'm just kind of waiting on him because he have the spark plug tool. and it's gonna be, dude, this car is gonna run so different, and I can't wait till I drive that car, because it's been over a year, like I said, and it's just been squeaking. It's just been making a lot of noise, and ever since it started smoking, I was like, you know what, let me actually take action, and actually got my PCV valve, which is over there, and I got the gasket line, I got everything. So right now we're just waiting on him, and yeah, let me get you guys once he's here. So my friend with the M3 just got here, and let me show you guys what we got done so far. So we took out the coils. We made sure to number them, because not gonna lie, I'm not trying to mix them up, so we just numbered them from 1 to 6. And also right here, we also got, thank God, there's like, hold on. Yeah, usually like from like high mileage cars, I would say there would be oil in there in the sensor, which is terrible. Luckily this car, no oil, so that's good, because this will make its way, I think, to the, where would this go if there's oil in here?
No idea.
Yeah, no idea. But I think right now we're gonna take out the fuel, and hopefully everything's good. Then we're gonna do the intercooler. We finally took off the fuel lines. Fuel went everywhere. But right now we're kind of focused on getting the main parts off, which is, oh, we already got one off. But I think right now we're gonna unscrew all the holes, and then we'd be able to put in the new valve cover in. So that's the valve cover. It comes with this new hose, and it comes with kind of like every single thing you need, the screws. But there are some stuff that we do need to kind of take off from the old valve cover, like these ones right here. Let me show y'all real quick. Like you see these right here, we gotta kind of put that on to the older valve, to the new valve cover, because you know the new one doesn't really come with it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do that, and let me get you guys once we're finished and we're about to put everything on. And I can't wait till I take this out on a ride and not hear that sound for once. And I know it's gonna feel so much different because it's been a year, and there's a lot of, like, it's terrible. Like, I know, like, it's about time to get that done. And thank God it didn't leak into the turbos, because if it did, that would have been, I needed new turbos. So let me pick you guys up once that's ready. So we finally got the PCV valve off. The gasket is messed up. Like, the gasket is long gone. But right here, we got the S55 engine. And it's insane. It straight up smells like oil and fuel at the same time. So finally, we got that part off, which is crazy. And it stinks. I can't wait till it's fully on done. And then we're gonna put the rest. Look, let me show you. So this how it looks. Look at the gasket. It's ripped. That's all you guys gotta know. It's ripped. And yeah, it's actually crazy. So we got the whole S55 right there. It actually looks crazy. It's really dirty because it's been leaking a lot of oil from the PCV valve, and hopefully we'll be able to get it done by tonight. I think we will. We just gotta kind of wait it out a bit, you know. So right now we're going over kind of like the size to make sure like it's all cleaned up, because if it isn't, we might not know if it's leaking again. So we're gonna have them all cleaned up, and kind of, I guess that, like what they said, wait like a month or two until, you know, we can see results if it's all good or not. I think it should be all good. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit to kind of put everything back on, but hey, it's worth it at the end of the day. No squeaking, no nothing. So let me pick you guys up once everything is on the car. And actually, whenever I'm about to start the car, because I think we still gotta head to grab coolant from AutoZone. I hope they're not closed. Grab coolant from AutoZone, because like almost all the coolant just straight left the chat right there. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and let me pick you guys up. So we finally finished the car. We're putting the coolant. Before we put everything on, we put all the pipes in. We're just gonna bleed the coolant, and then we're gonna start it up just to make sure that, you know, everything is running fine, the coolant is circulating, and I think we should be good after that. We're gonna also take it on a little ride just to make sure there's no squeaks, no nothing, no oil leaks, no nothing. So let me do that real quick. I worked so long. We worked actually so long on this, and hopefully it'll be good. The new valve cover should be good. And yeah, let's figure out worst case scenario. I just gave me an OEM, but we'll see. I think we're gonna go on a little cruise, and yeah, let me pick you guys up once we do that. So everything is done. We ran into an issue. I was flooring it just to see how like it would do, if it's good, everything's good. Then we heard a loud, it was so loud. And then, dude, my heart, I was like, only thing I was thinking is money. but then we just pulled over for like on the side of the road back there. We didn't see because it was all dark, so we came all the way out here, and it turned out it's the J pipe that was loose and it was unscrewed. So now we're gonna put it back on. Worst case, I get me the platinum one or whatever it is. Worst case, I get that for my next mod because I'm starting the new series, so you guys tune in for that. It's gonna be crazy. But yeah, right now we're working on that. And yeah, this new lens that I got is really heavy and my hands already sore from that. It feels like a whole workout. But let me get back with you guys and trying to see like if there's any codes or errors or whatever happens. I hope we're good, and I think we might be good because I'm trying to make it to that meet tomorrow that's gonna be happening. So you guys tune in for that, and I'll pick you guys up if there's anything crazy that happens. So this is day 2 with the PCV valve done, and let's see, is it gonna start normally or is it gonna give me like a little weird start? Oh, actually not even that bad. We still do have the check engine light in though, and that's kind of a bad thing. It's right here. We still have that. I don't want to have that no more. I think I might have to clear that on my own actually. So we finally got everything done with the M4. You know, as you guys see, the old PCV valve right here, that one is done. I think I might put it in my room, kind of hang it up as a trophy of all. I still want to do that with the crank up, put it in a little plastic box. That would be sick. It would be awesome. But so far, you know, no squeaks, no nothing. Everything has been good. You know, it drives, I don't know why it feels faster. I hope it's not a placebo effect, because I would be mad if it was. But right now, what I think I'm going to do next is get me a front lip and maybe a diffuser. But that's in the next YouTube video. But actually, the next YouTube video might be at a meet and maybe the front lip. But I'm still trying to figure all that out. But if you guys watch this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy Dextro. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm out.